Hello my dear students, welcome back to your mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am. Dear students, we are doing unit 8 of your NCERT book decimals. Today we are going to start 8.5 exercise. In this exercise, I'll explain you how to add the two or more decimal numbers. In my earlier videos, previous videos also, I have explained you this thing once again. I'll explain you the concept of addition of decimal numbers. So let's do question number 1. So dear students, our first question is find the sum in each of the following. Now as we can see, there are 3 decimal numbers given to us and we have to add them. So what is the way of adding decimal numbers? The first step which you have to focus on, that you should see whether all the numbers are decimal numbers or not. Let us write the first decimal number and we will add them in column form. This is ones, this is, let us write the places. This is ones place. So we will first write down the places: ones place, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place, and here is the decimal. So dear students, while adding or subtracting them, decimal हमेशा decimal के नीचे लिखा जाएगा. So first number is 0.007. So 0 point, decimal should be written under the decimal, 0.007, like this. Next number is 8.5. So we will write 8 point, हमेशा decimal के नीचे लिखना है, 8.5. Now next is 30.08. So point यहाँ लिखेंगे तो 30 should be written like this. So don't write like this. This is a wrong way. तो हमेशा decimal को decimal के नीचे. So 30. For 30 we will write this 30.08. So let us mention the place of this digit also, and the place of this digit is, this is ones, this is tens, right? So in this way, now let us add them. Now while adding, let us complete the blank spaces. जो blank space हैं उन्हें हम 0 से complete कर लेते हैं, और you can start doing like this also. आप इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं, straight 7, 0 plus 8 is 8, 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5, then decimal, or we can take the zeros on the blank spaces so that you will get confused. Okay, so let us now add. 7 plus 0 is 7, again plus 0, 7. So 8 plus 0, you all know 8. 5 plus zeros is 5. Then under the decimal, place the decimal. Then 8 plus zeros is 8. 3 plus zeros is 3. So this is the answer to our first part, that is 38.587. So I hope it is clear to you. Similarly, let us do all the parts. So our second part is 15 plus 0.632 plus 13.8. So tens, ones, then decimal, 10th, 100th, 1000th. So first is 15. This is without decimal. So we will write here without decimal. No decimal is there. So we'll place a decimal ourselves, and after that we can place zeros, right? 0.632. Let us first place the decimal. So on the left we have a 0, on the right 632, 632. Then third 13.18. So point under the point, 0.8 this side, right side, and 13 on this side. So let us add this. So you can directly add them, or you can place the blanks by the zeros. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 0, 3, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 0 is 14. So 4, decimal, carry 1. डियर स्टूडेंट्स 14, राइट डाउन 4, कैरी 1, बट डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल लगाना नहीं भूलना है आपको. नाउ लेट अस ऐड 5 + 1 6, 6 + 0 6, 6 + 3 9, 1 + 1 2, 2 + 0 is 2. So this will be the answer to our second part, 29.432. So dear students, in this way try the remaining parts yourself, and you have to show this calculation also. Don't write just the answers, calculation करनी है, then write the answer, then next question calculation, write the answer. तो पूरा represent करना है. Do not rub it because I'm doing on the board. Don't think कि आपको ये नहीं करना. This is the thing which you have to do in your notebook and write down the answer in this way. So let me solve one part for you. After that, remaining 3 parts your homework. So 27 point, this is 7 is at 1's place, 2 is at 10's place, 0.076, so 076, और 1's और 10th place के बीच में decimal होता है. Now 0.05, so let us first place a point. So 0 on left side, 55 on right side. Then again let us place a decimal, 0 on left side, 004 on right side. So now let us add it. Let us fill the blank spaces by the zeros. So 6 + 0 is 6, 6 + 4 is 10. For 10, 0 here, carry 1, right? Then 7 + 1 is 8, 8 + 5 13, 13 + 0 is 13. So 13, 13 का 3 यहाँ पर, and 1 will be carried forward. 1 + 0 1, 1 + 5 6, 6 + 0 6. Place a decimal under the decimal. 7 + 0 7, 2 + 0 2. So answer will be 27.630. So dear students, in this way try the remaining 3 parts yourself. Now dear students, our second question is, Rashid spent rupees 35.75 paisa, 35 rupees 75 paisa for maths book, and 32 rupees 60 paisa for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. So dear students, they are asking total. What is the meaning of the question? कि रशीद ने मैथ्स बुक खरीदी 35 रुपीज़ 75 पैसा. आफ्टर द डेसिमल विल कॉल इट पैसा. 35 रुपीज़ 75 पैसा की. एंड साइंस बुक फॉर 32 रुपीज़ 60 पैसा. मैथ्स बुक प्राइस इज गिवन टू अस. साइंस बुक, वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल अमाउंट स्पेंट बाय राशिद. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टोटल मीन्स होता है सम करना. Like if you will go to a shop to buy the 2 books, what will you do? You will add the price of the 2 books and then you will pay the amount to the bookseller. So same Rashid will do. So what is the way to calculate? Let us find out the solution. So price of, or we can write amount spent on. Amount spent on, whatever they'll ask you, write down the same statement. Amount spent on maths book is equal to 35 rupees. Let us write down the unit. 35 rupees and 0.75 means 75 paisa, right? Write the amount in a proper gap. Now amount spent on science book is equal to rupees 32 rupees. डेसिमल के नीचे हम डेसिमल लिखेंगे 60 पैसा, right? So that we can easily add. Now what we have to find out? Total amount. So what do we write? We'll write total amount. Total amount will be total amount spent by Rashid. So what do we write? Total amount spent by Rashid is equal to, so we will, what do? We will add them. दोनों को add करेंगे. So let us add them. Rupees. This is decimal के left में होती है tens position. This is ones position. Then यहाँ होती है tens. On the right hand decimal we have 10th position th and 100th h for 100 और th 100 position. So let us start adding it. सबसे पहले decimal के नीचे decimal लगा देते हैं so that we do not do any mistake. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 6 is 13. So for 13 3 will be written here, 1 will be carry. Right? So 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8. Decimal के नीचे decimal. 3 plus 3 6. So what is the amount which Rashid had spent in purchasing the two books? It is 68 rupees 35 paisa. Therefore answer is 68 rupees and 35 paisa. This is the answer. So I hope it is clear to you. Similarly, dear students, try the next question, question number 3 yourself. So that's all. If you like my videos, share my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.